Welcome to the Super Smartans. I am Rajiv Dave. In this video lecture, you can know about sentence structure of affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence of present perfect continuous tense as well as uses of present perfect continuous tense. First of all, let's see affirmative sentence structure. Subject plus have or has plus been plus ing form of root form of the verb plus object optional plus since or for plus time duration. For example, Jwalant has been playing cricket since 10 o'clock. In this sentence, Jwalant is subject, has auxiliary verb, been past participle of being, playing present participle, cricket object, since 10 o'clock time duration. We can speak this sentence other way also with for. Jwalant has been playing cricket for 2 hours. With present perfect continuous tense, since is used to talk about a point in past times. For example, 7 o'clock, Sunday, 2nd March 2012, 1800, etc. While for is used to talk about a period of time. For example, 2 years, 3 months, 4 hours, 1 decade, ages, ever, etc. That's mean if we know the particular time point or beginning of an action in the past, we can use since. If we don't know the particular time point or beginning of an action, then we can use for. Sentence of present perfect continuous tense with first person singular subject. I have been playing cricket. With first person plural, we have been playing cricket. With second person singular, you have been playing cricket. With second person plural, you have been playing cricket. With third person singular, he has been playing cricket. She has been playing cricket. It has been playing cricket. With third person plural, they have been playing cricket. Negative sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus ing form of the root form of the verb plus object optional plus since or for plus time duration. For example, Jwalant has not been playing cricket since 2018. I have not been playing cricket for 2 years. Interrogative sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense. Have or has plus subject plus been plus ing form of root form of the verb plus object optional plus since or for plus time duration plus question mark. For example, has Jwalan been playing cricket? Have I been playing cricket? WH questions of present perfect continuous tense. First, what? For information of thing. For example, what have you been doing since 8 o'clock? When? For information about time. For example, when have you been returning from market? Third, who? For information about a person. For example, who have been playing cricket since morning. Fourth, where? For the place. For example, where has your daughter been living since the completed MBBS? Fifth, why? For information about reason or explanation. For example, why hasn't she been answering his question? Sixth, which? To ask about choices. For example, which school have you been studying? 7. Whose? To ask about possession. For example, whose assignment have you been doing? 8. How many? To know the quantity of something. For example, how many books have you been reading since Monday? 9. How much? To know the price of something. For example, how much money have you been spending from your salary? 10th, how long? To know amount of time taken by something. For example, how long have you been traveling from your house? Negative interrogative sentence of present perfect continuous tense. Structure: have or has plus subject plus not been plus verb with ing plus object optional plus since or for plus time duration plus question mark. For example, has Valan not been playing cricket for 2 hours? Using present perfect continuous tense in question indicates you can see, hear, feel, or smell the results of the action. Incorrect use of interrogative form of present perfect continuous tense results in someone insult. Adverbs such as always, still, just, only, never, ever, etc. can be placed in sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense. For example, he has only been waiting there for an hour. Contraction with present perfect continuous tense. I have been, I have been. We have been, we have been. You have been, you have been. He has been, he has been. She has been, she has been. It has been, it has been. The bus has been, the bus has been. They have been, they have been. In negative sentence, contract the first auxiliary verb and not. For example, he hasn't been playing cricket. Now let's see uses of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express or to speak or to write an action which began at some time in past and still continue at time of speaking, means it is in progress at the time of speaking. For example, I have been writing since 6 o'clock. I have been working on this project for several months. Let's see some more examples of present perfect continuous tense. First, I have been trying to contact him. Here, an action that began in the past and is still continuing. Second, I have been calling her and I got no reply. Here, an action that began and just finished in the past. Third, I have been walking all day looking for the work. The dance practice has been going all night. She has been feeling fear all week. Here, present perfect continuous tense is used with all, that is, all day, all night, all week, all evening, etc. Sometimes the present perfect continuous and present perfect tense do not differ much in meaning. The present perfect continuous and the present perfect tense are used in the same way with for, since, ever since, etc. Verbs like believe, decide, hate, knew, recognize, want, etc. cannot be used with present perfect continuous tense. Use the present perfect tense instead. For example, Khevna has been deciding to join dance class. Wrong. Instead of that, we can write Khevna has decided to join dance class. Right. I have been hating him since my childhood. Wrong. Instead of that, we can write or speak I have hated him since my childhood. Jwalant and his friends have been wanting to practice cricket together. Wrong. Instead of that, we can write or speak Jwalant and his friend have wanted to practice cricket together. Let's understand participle now. A participle is a word which is partly a verb and partly an adjective. Present participle, for example, we saw girls drawing pictures. I am playing. Here, drawing and playing are present participle. Past participle, which represents a completed action or state of the thing spoken. Past participle usually ends in ed, d, t, en, or n. Besides these two, present and past. Third one is a perfect participle that represent an action as completed at same past time. For example, having finished the work, I went to garden. Here, having is perfect participle. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for notification of our next video of past tense. Keep watching, keep learning.